guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, my eyebrows are very sparse. They're very thin. They're not your regular eyebrows, so we're gonna fix that. I'm going to grab the NYX pencil in ash brown, and it looks like this. It has a spoolie on one side and then the pencil on the other side. Sometimes I use that, or sometimes I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate with this brush, and this is the Morphe E29, spoolie one side and then a flat angle brush on the other side. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys both. So I'm gonna use the pencil first. I'm gonna grab my little mirror here and I'm gonna start little by little going with the shape of my brow already, which is under. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna go to the top, and like I said, I am gonna make them a little thicker since my eyebrows are thin. Okay. If you guys mess up a little bit, it's okay. You guys are gonna fix it later if you guys do mess up. Okay, so it should look something like that. That's not how they're gonna be, but it's just like a rough draft. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate, and I'm gonna do my other eyebrow. Okay, so we're gonna grab the brush and then start lining the bottom of my eyebrow. Okay. So little by little, start filling it in and make them as thick as you want your eyebrows to be. Unless you have like the perfect eyebrows already, then you guys shouldn't be going through all this. So to clean my eyebrows, I use the MAC concealer in soft ochre. It's this one here, and it's soft ochre. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's one. Okay, so we're gonna grab some in a flat brush like this, and we're gonna start cleaning from the bottom. So little by little, start shaping the eyebrows. If you made any error, if you think your eyebrows came out looking weird, this is practically like a magic eraser. This is gonna fix it, so don't worry about it. Okay. So I'm gonna leave mine like that. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more and do the other side. So we're gonna come, okay. Okay, just blending it. Really good. Bring it down. Okay, so just like that. Now I'm gonna try to make them as even as possible. Okay, which that's not gonna happen. Your eyebrows are never gonna look exactly the same, but try to make them look pretty identical. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend with a beauty blender or a sponge. Just blend it like that. Okay, so now for the top, what I like to do is grab some foundation, whatever foundation I'm gonna be using for my face. And this is the Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation 2-in-1 in medium beige. And it's this one right here. So I'm gonna grab a little pump just for my eyebrows. I am gonna put some on my face, but just for my eyebrows right now. Okay, so you're gonna start right here at the top, little by little. Okay, so little by little, start and just bring it down. So you're cleaning the top and the bottom. You don't have to clean the top and the bottom. You just want to do the bottom, do the bottom. It's really up to you guys. But this is how I do my eyebrows. Okay. So once there are shape how you want, at least this one, you move on to the next one and grab a little bit. I'm grabbing barely anything, guys. You guys don't want to put a whole lot. Okay. So we're gonna. Now you guys want to blend. Make sure you guys blend that foundation good. Grab a beauty sponge and try to blend that foundation into your skin. Now what you want to do is set the bottom of your eyebrows, including your eyelid, because you have concealer there. So I'm going to be using the RCMA powder and this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so we're going to start setting that powder. Okay, so now on the other side. Set that powder in. Okay, just like that. Grab your sponge and just set it. Okay. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is set the top of my eyebrows here. I'm gonna be using a setting powder, just how you set the eyes and under the eyebrows. I like to set the top of my eyebrows. I don't know why, I just do. It's a habit of mine, but I do feel like my eyebrows stay in place more. I use a fluffy brush like this, and this is from BH Cosmetics number 8. It's like this. So I'm gonna grab some of that setting powder and tap it, and then I'm gonna start putting it on top of my brows, just like that. Okay, so set the top. The last step that I do is that I grab a sponge like this one, and I just blend that powder into the skin. Just make sure you blend it really good all around the eyebrow. Just be careful with your brows. Okay, and that's it guys. That's how I do my eyebrows.